Hey there, I wanted to make a series of a couple quick videos to explain some word problems with sales tax, percents, discounts, things from lesson 4. I know we didn't get to it in class, so maybe you're watching this because you need a little extra help, you're doing the homework, or you just want to learn something that we're doing in class. So let's go over a sample problem. We'll do a couple 1-steps and a 2-step problem. This one is regarding with sales tax. So we know sales tax is an extra something they add on at the end of a purchase. So if we know a television set costs $1,500 and there is a 7% sales tax on the television set, that will be an additional amount added. So here's a bar model of what that would look like. Here's our TV set. And we know 100% of the cost is $1,500, and then there'll be 7% added at the end. If we know 100% is $1,500, we could also figure out 1% by dividing that by 100. And you know, we divide that by 100, it's the same by decreasing the place value. We know that each 1% is $15. So if we want to know 7%, if we know 1% equals $15, 7%, do you know what you do? Just multiply it times 7. So 7 times 15 or 15 times 7 is 105. The sales tax is $105. Now, the problem might ask you how much is the sales tax, or it could ask you a 2-step problem. It would ask you how much does it cost after the sales tax. So then we would take the sales tax and add it on, and we would know that TV would not cost $1,500. It would cost $1,605. All right, let's move on and solve one together. A dress cost $80 before sales tax. There was an 8%. Oh, that's close to the sales tax we pay in Texas or in Houston. I think it's like 8.25 or something. But there's an 8% sales tax on the dress. How much was the sales tax? Okay, so here's a bar model. 100% is, this is wrong. This is in your book and this is wrong. Shoop. Let's make that disappear. 100% of it, of the cost of the dress, was $80. How much is it for 8%? Now we don't divide by 8 here. We would find out how much is 10% or 1%. So yeah, let's get rid of these. This is page 248 in your book if you want to fill this in with us. We know 100% of the dress costs $80. Now the golden strategy we talked about is what's 10%? 10% is like dividing by 10. 80 divided by 10 would be $8. But it's going to be less than $8 of tax. So what would 1% be? Well, move the place value one more time. We know it would be 0.8. So that is the same as 80 divided by, that's a division symbol, 100. 80 divided by 100 is 80 hundredths, or 80 cents. That is 1%. Now, how would we get 6%? Oh, 8%. Sorry, that's a sales tax in this area. It's 8%. Well, from 1% to 8%, I'm going to do times 8. So let's do times 8. I know 8 times 8 is 64. So 8 times 8, 0.8 times 8 is 6.4. And we don't write $6.4, we put a 0 here. So 0.8 times 8% would give you $6.40. So the sales tax was $6.40. Another thing it could ask you was how much was the dress including tax, right? So it's 8 plus 80 plus 640 would be 86.40. Got my bubbly Topo Chico. All right, now let's do just together a two-step problem. Then you can go do some on your own because you'll definitely have some sales tax in your homework. Diego bought a pair of headphones, which included a sales tax of 8%. The price of the pair of headphones before the tax was $85. How much would he pay for the pair? Ooh, that's including the tax. Okay, so if I draw a bar model, just to help you remember, this is 100%. 100% of the cost would be $85, but we need to tack on an 8% sales tax. How much will it be all together now? All right, my golden strategy will be to start with 10%. 10% of 85 is 8.5. 1% is just like dividing the total by 100. That is 0.85. So if I know 1% is 0.85, I want to know 8%. And I could just multiply times 8. So I can do that over here. I'm going to not even worry about lining up the place values and just do 2 digits on top. It's going to be less than $8, 64. It's going to be $6.80. Yeah. Extra 4 cents, yeah. $6.40. This is the tax. Did they ask for the sales tax this time? No, we want to know the total cost. So finally, we're going to take the $85 plus the $6.80. And you'll know at the register, they would ask Diego to pay $91 for the headphones. Okay, so that's how we do sales tax. It's a percent that we add on at the end. Hope that was helpful. That's the video for sales tax. If you need more help or you're doing a problem on discounts or interest, you can check out those videos.